Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's Leetcode Daily, number 345, Reverse Vowels of a String. We know that when we are reversing a list, we find the leftmost one and the rightmost one, and we switch their values. Secondly, we'll find the one next to the leftmost and the second rightmost, and we switch their values. And the third rightmost and the third leftmost, and we switch their values until we find the middle ones. We stop our reversing. We can see clearly when we are reversing, actually we are using 2 pointers. The 2 pointers are moving towards each other, and they are switching values when they are moving towards each other. In this problem, we are only supposed to reverse vowels, so we can use a similar method. The only difference is that we will just ignore the non-vowel characters. Now let's demonstrate. At the very beginning, the left pointer is already at a vowel, but our left pointer is not, so we'll move our left pointer until it meets a vowel. Now both of them are at a vowel. We'll switch their values. Because both of them are is, so nothing happens. Now let's continue moving them forward until they meet a vowel. Now we can see they meet 2 vowels. Will switch the O and the E like that. Now we'll continue move left and right pointer until the pointers meet each other. This is a Python code. You can take a look.